Well, it's dinner time on day two. Um, I've still dealing with a lot of pain. I have pulled my muscle in my thigh. Um, at least I think I have. It's sort of the touch. It's on the outside of my thigh on my left leg, um, the leg that I had the knee replaced on. So I'm not sure what's going on there. Again, I'll talk to the physiotherapist. I will mention it to the surgeon. Um, I don't know. I twisted the wrong way. I did something just to aggravate it. So yeah, like all fun and games, right? Like let's pull a couple other muscles while we're there. Um, so I'm using the ice cube uh, care system that I have, putting ice on my knee. I've actually even moved it a little bit up the leg onto the left side to try and deal with the muscle tightening that I've got there. Trying to loosen that up. I'm still having swelling. Um, it's sore. I'm taking Percocet for the pain. Um, it's I don't know. I guess it's just your uh, standard problems with having a knee replacement. Um, I guess I was hoping I'd be a little farther along, but we're into a day, so we're into a second day, 24 hours later. Um, so it's relatively new, um, surgery. So you're not even 48 hours. So I have to all think about where I should be, and am I expecting too much? I probably am. Um, it's very tight. I have problems moving my knee. Um, it's swollen, so that's not helping. Um, and just getting up, walking. I'm doing my exercises as outlined from the doctor. Uh, it's it's all part of the process that I'm going through, and I just wish I was farther along in this process right now. Um, can't get the leg wet. Can't have I don't know, can't have a shower for like, I don't know, 10 days or something. So I got to work around that. So that's where I'm at. I'll try and get a picture of what my leg looks like right now. So just hold on for a sec. So this is what my leg looks like right now. Um, Swollen right here, the joint. Um, there's just it's sort of move it. So it is just on fire. The Percocet takes the edge off, but it doesn't do anything other than take the edge off. And so this is the muscle group here that I have sort of pulled. And so it's going right down into the knee. So it hurts here. And then it just going into the knee, it hurts. So I'm not sure what I've done. But you can see it's swollen. I still haven't got the red paint off that they painted my leg with, well, I guess iodine. So that's what it looks like right now. At a 5 o'clock or 6, what is it, like 4:30 on day 2. So that's where I'm at. So I'm hopeful that tonight I can balance the pain out and I can get some sleep, because I don't know, last night I might have slept for half an hour, maybe an hour. But if I can balance the pain, I should be able to sleep. But I'm a side sleeper, so I'm sleeping on my left side or my right side, and I'm torquing my knee. I can't sleep on my back. I never been able to sleep on my back, so it's like add insult to injury, right? Um, so I'm looking to hopefully balance everything out so that I can get some sleep, and we'll go from there. Um, and this is, kind of towards the end of day 2. So I'm just keeping a blog, keeping track of what's happening in my recovery, so that potentially someone else that's going through this is going to have an idea of what they can expect. Anyway, that's it for me today. I'll grab some dinner. I'm going to go to bed early. Anyway, and we'll see you in day 2.